In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional login page in Wix 2026 guide. A dedicated login page gives your site a polished, secure entry point for members to access exclusive content, manage profiles, and interact with your community. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a forum, setting this up takes just a few minutes and adds real professionalism to your brand experience. We'll start by installing the Wix Members Area app. From your site dashboard, look to the left menu and click the shopping bag icon to open the app market. In the search bar at the top, type Wix Members Area. When it appears, select it and click Add to Site. After it installs, check your site's navigation. You should see login info appear, which confirms everything is connected. If you don't see it right away, give the editor a moment to update or refresh the page to sync the new elements. This app provides the backbone for member sign-up, login, and profile management, so you're building on an official, well-supported framework. Next, let's configure the login page so it looks and feels like your brand. Head to the Pages panel in the editor. You'll notice the app has created new pages, including Sign Up and Login. Select the login page to begin customizing. When prompted, choose the Custom Form option instead of the default template. This choice gives you control over the layout and fields, so your page matches your brand voice and user needs. Personalize the inputs, decide what to display, and add your logo for instant recognition. Align the design with your site's colors and typography and keep spacing generous for readability. Aim for clear labels and strong color contrast to improve accessibility. When you're happy with the design, click Add to Site to let Wix generate the page using your settings. Now it's time to preview and test. Click Preview in the top right corner of the editor to simulate the live experience. Enter sample credentials to walk through the flow and confirm the visuals, alignment, and button states look correct. Pay attention to error messages, focus states on fields, and how the page behaves on different screen sizes. If anything feels crowded or off-brand, return to the editor to fine-tune spacing, adjust colors, or resize elements. A couple of small tweaks here usually make a big difference in clarity and trust. And that's it. You've created a clean, professional login page powered by Wix Members Area, ready to welcome your community.